That was the most beautiful rendition of Anculan. Well done, beautiful. We're going to move on now, and I'm going to sing a song. And this is a song that was composed in 1891, so lots of history tonight, really, by a man by the name of Charles K. Wells. And it was composed for a variety minstrel show in Wisconsin. And by the following year, it had sold over 2 million copies. So it seemed to be very, very popular at the time. It's a song about a lost love. So it's not just in Ireland that we sing about those kind of things. I first heard this song in Kiju at the Harp Festival, sung by Francis Black and Arcady. And as I say, it's a song about a lost love, and it's called After the Ball. Shepherd.